So why do a screening? Well, rapid prioritization is key, as we said before, because every time you touch that technology, it costs you more money. So you want to determine as quickly as possible those technologies that have high value and should be further analyzed through an assessment, and those that have low value and therefore should be abandoned or passively marketed. This helps you ensure that you are focusing your resources on the technologies that have the greatest potential. There's another aspect of why screening can be very beneficial to tech transfer organizations. It enables you to have a consistent and objective evaluation process to help communicate to the inventors why you're making the decision you are, as well as your other stakeholders. From a strategic perspective, this can also help you identify where you have strengths in your portfolio as well as weaknesses. If you're looking for partnerships, knowing where your weaknesses are can also be valuable, but that's a webinar for another day. So now that we've given a little background of why to screen, let's talk a little bit about what is a screen. We define a screening as a brief, written, market-centered evaluation of the commercialization potential of a technology. Brief is key. It takes a short period of time and limited hours to do it. Fuentech can do a screening in 2 to 4 hours total, but we assign our screenings based on technology expertise as well as industry sector experience, and that allows us to do this very quickly and efficiently. In the case of interns being used to do technology screenings or a tech transfer professional who does not have a deep understanding of a specific technology area, it's possible that this could take 10 to 20 hours instead of the 2 to 4 that we can do it in. No worries, both of them are efficient and effective and will be appropriate for what you're trying to accomplish in managing your portfolio. The second aspect, after brief, is that this is written. It provides you with documentation that explains why you made the decision you did and has information to back that up. That's important because it helps you communicate with the inventor on the disposition. It's also market-centered. Rather than validating whether the science and engineering is any good, it's really whether the market has a need for this and does it fit. It's important to know that when you talk about commercialization potential, you're really referring to the probability that this technology is going to be licensed, and that's really the name of the game, deals. Now let's take a look at some of the statistics that come out from screening. Regardless of the type of organization you are, we have been seeing very similar trends in the ratings that come out of portfolios. On the left, you'll see a highly specialized research lab versus, on the right, a large research university that has many disciplines. And as you can see from the pie charts, about 1/3 of the technologies have fallen into the high and medium high category versus almost 2/3 that show up in the low and the medium low. So if you go back to what the reason is behind screening, one of the main goals was to clear the decks of any technologies that were not going to be productive for you. And so if you can remove anywhere from half to 2/3 of the technologies from your portfolio that you no longer are expending active resources, that's a huge time savings, and it frees you up to be able to actively market your technologies and pursue better deals. Thanks for your time.